everybody, and welcome to today's vlog. It's Vlogmas, and we're gonna do another bake with me. Today we're gonna make the Stonewall Kitchen chocolate peppermint brownie mix. I'm really excited to try this. The gingerbread that we made from their mix turned out really yummy, even if it looked like a Game of Thrones battle, but it tasted great. So we're gonna try to make these brownies for tonight for dinner. It's game night tonight, so that should be fun. Yeah, let's give it a go. So on the back it says we need some butter, which we have right here, 2 large eggs, and some milk. So let's get cracking. Preheat the oven. That's good. Alright, so we need to spray our pan here. Alright, we have the Baker's Joy nonstick spray with flour. I'm going to try this out. I've never tried this before because they were out of Pam, so that I like to use with the flour. Nice and coated. So next, brownie mix in the bowl. Whoops, let's make chocolate. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put it in half again too. We're in the microwave. Eggs, real quick. Get those mixed in first. Good old-fashioned whisk here. Ooh, and get stuff all over me. This is why people wear aprons. I feel like this isn't enough to fill this pan. And I do have 2 mixes. Let's see what happens. We got this pan here, we're gonna fill it up. And if it's not enough, we're gonna make another box. It's not looking like it's gonna be enough. I think I picked up too large of a container. Alright, that's okay, because I do have another box. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven now that I have it ready with 2 batches instead of 1. And it says for 20 minutes, so we're gonna give this a go. 20 minutes. And go. Okay, so our brownies just came out of the oven. It looks so good. It smells amazing in here right now. So I'm just gonna let them cool in the pan, and we're gonna get started on the icing. I already stuck the butter in here so it could like kind of just soften, I guess. So now we need, pour frosting mix into the bowl, add butter and milk, and beat until smooth and fluffy. Okay. There's 1. There's 2. Milk in there. Some sprinkle action. Spread it on here. They're not like super warm. The pan's still warm, but we're gonna see how it goes. It looks tasty. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like for more content. We're gonna enjoy those brownies after dinner and during the game tonight. So I'll see you next time. Bye.